CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka Environment Coordination Committee Elaka Sutnga haga arpu pratrik unhai leber arajar arpu kala Dawa ye ke sarkar jela ban penduk pendamno ye ke arpu kendai Tylli ki Karkhana Saiñ Dewïong ke badan hapo upur usam jong ke East Jaintia Hills District. Legal advisor jong ke committee uba reading war haga jingya keren bat kilar pathai khubor ula ong ke committee kala daban pha shithi sha menteri rangba jong ke jela Konrad Sangma bat sha Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban penmi de ke hukum ban khang kherdap no ya kini ki arpo khandai Tylli ki Karkhana Saiñ Dewïong ke bala pentrai be an hapo ke East Jaintia Hills Shusho uliatho bakat kum ke jawab RTI ke committee kala lap ban ki san phau Tylli ki Karkhana bala trai kam hapo kathan Elaka Sutnga arpu khandai Tylli naki kila sha kentaj ban pentrai kam kat bakat Tylli ki dai ke bala yo ye ke jing menjor ban pentrai kam bat Tylli ki dai ke bala yo jingbet ban shna
Elaka Sutnga kumbang itiba ni le ban kundu dan ni ban pendam no ya gini ki go plans ki badon hapo jong ke Elaka jongi Elaka Sutnga ti ha kaba nongkong ni ai khuble ya ki kun jong ke Elaka Sutnga baro ki ba la don tilang banile le ma pendu ya gini ki go plan dan ni kini ki Karkhana thang Dewïong hapo ke Elaka jongi ti ke jingi tre sitom ke jong ki kun jong ke Elaka baro na ki khna ki kenthe ba ki rangba lengba jong ke ECC ke bensing tunat ban yithu bangla don katu kat ni ki lenti le ni ki khep ki bangla yo ek jing job te tang ha po chisnem ngila yo shibun ki jing job hendai dang sa stang kat tu ni li ki benta ki bangi hap banjele te kum ki jing benti bro bahadin bangla ki kumbachi snem te ka government kala sngap yengi bargla airu ya Sibun ki benta ki ba ngila demand lengba ki application ki representation ki bangila bu ha chief minister forest batu minister in charge jonga forest and environmental department kumjuru ya ka MS PCB ting yo iba hak du ko por ru ngila yele bat ngila ban ya kun ru watcha ka honorable national green tribunal bat ngila yo ru ya kijing tip lengba ki affidavit ki bala file lengba jongka MSPCB kala don kumba akundai Tylli ki koplan lani kini ki units ki ba la ai ya ka refusal of consent ha ki daw ki ba per te ha kat kum ga art ai ke ba thmai bangila yo na ka MSPCB kila don kumba sampyo Tylli kini ki units niki koplan ki bala don hapo Elaka lani hapo jong district ki barok away ti habade bakani ki ke nakisan Tylli arpundai Tylli kila du no ya kanika consent to establish but ki mlakshu banshna ki mlakshu banshna lani ki mlakshu ban poret but khat Tylli ki de ki plans lani ki units ki bala don ya ki consent to operate but saartli ki badon ya ka consent to establish te ke ka jing e ka ba mantapat kalong ba nginele stang ya kini ki badon ya kini ki court ni consent to operate but ki consent to establish ke ga basing tunat ba hadin bangi alit cha ka ying bishar jong ka national green tribunal ngila yo ru ya katu kat ni jing kwa la ni ki jing thrang ki jong ki kun jong ke Elaka ba ha ka chpudrik braimat ke don ka hearing jong ka national green tribunal ke don ha po Kolkata bat kala ai ru ya ki order ha ka ba dei bat ka government ka ba dei ban but bat ban le ha ka ba dei bat kini ki koplan ha ka chpudrik ka order jong ka NGT ha ka chpudrik braimat 8000 per ke NGT kala ai ru ya ka directive order ya ka MSPCB ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board hakabadei ka de ban khen ban ai ka jing khen ha ka jing lut ha ka bade ba ka environment compensation, cost of restitution, remedial measures as well as penalty to be imposed for violation of the environmental norms yakini hibaro ki ko plans ki ba ki balait na kini ki khatar lebat ki ni ki khatar Tylli ki bagi ong bagi layo ya ka CTO but hakaneru ke ECC kala bo ya ke demand na ke MSPCB hak bade ke jingkhen ya kini ki jinglut jing sep ke jing shakta jong ke mariang hak te ke jaga ke jongi ke elaka ke jongi ke di ban ai ke jingkhen ke bobiang bat ke di ban kan jitiru kala ong iki baki di ban haden baki la khen ya kini jinglut baro ke di ban ai ka MSP ke di ban submit ya lengba ke affidavit ban file ke affidavit hak ke khatwe tri bunai arjar ar syak NGT but kebentar ke baar ke NGT ru kala ai ya ka directive order ya ka MSPCB bade ban to conduct a regular check during the night and it is a duty of the MSPCB as the regulatory authority and to take action against the airing coke units hadin bangila ai ngila ai ya ka jingpentip sya ka national green tribunal ba ki don kini coke plans ki ba trei bi ain menmet but ki don ru kini ki ba layo ya ka consent to operate baki trei claim da pendon kam lebon but ya ki kendon bala but dak sarkar te ka NGT hi kala ai ya ka order ya ka MSPCB ke de ban page benia bhai kini ke de ban monitor ya ki day and night te ha ka bade ba kini ngilap ba ka MSPCB ne ki non trei ki don hasilong ka problem ke don hapo Elaka Sutnga khamtam ya ki snong mopala umtar a bat kumta terter ya ki snong laterke ki snong lamersiang ya ki to ki kok plan ki don hapo umpleng te ya kaniru ni demand naka MSPCB bakade ban ai le ban monitor 24/7 hak bade ban lap yak jing shisha da pilit hangte hapo mo pala umtar a manmit pinyo i bakini ki CTO ki units don ya ka CTO ki pengkhenya ki ain ki badon hapo jongka CTO ke CTO ka don ya ka ki sibon ligi ain ki de ban bot hende ki klem pendon kam ya ki filter ki klem pendon kam ya ki tiar ki bade ban pendon kam bat ki shupen mi be ya ke tedam klem da filter nak ta kadau ko don ke jing sibon ya ki biru hangte nak ta kadau ru ka NGT ka ai ke MSPCB baka day ban monitor ya ni day night 24/7 tingi ai ni ong ya ke MSPCB ha ka ni ke por ke ECC ke day ban monitor 24/7 lada lem kumta ke deban pha no ya ki official jongki be deban sa no hang to shna mo pala so kilo man sa no hapo umtra bakin ya sngew dalade ya lade lada kimla ban pha ya ki official jongki ban page ya ki ni ki jing ha ba de ba ki ni pollution ke ba mi na ki ni ki co plans ki ba yo ya ki CTO kila ban ai le deban shna daka toll free number ba ki briu kila ban complaint 24/7 sha ka MSPCB leni ni demand ru ke MSPCB ke deban pha deman ai ke authorized person authorized letter na ni order ya ki no ki district magistrate la ni ki police hak ba de ban monitor ya ke ni 24/7 ha ba de ba ke ni ka pollution ke banongkong ai ke benta ke bakham koridor na ni ke benta ke ban ke bangi ngiwan ke main objective bangi wan ni ke longkum ni hadin ba ke MSPCB ke la ai ya ar kundait li ki refusal of consent habaka MSP ka ai ke refusal consent on the ground la ne ha ki reason ki ba pair ba those 29 units could not meet all the siting norms that's mean ki la penduk no ya kata ka application jong ki bagi apply ha po MSPCB ti halor kata ba kini ki ko plans ka apnali kimla shu masna delele te warkan jiti ru kal ai ko order ya ke MSPCB ban sim action ni gini bat baki deru ke MSPCB ke de ban reply sha ke NGT ha ke bade ke action ni gini ke apna Tylli de ke ke bangi kwa ke ni apna Tylli kini ngi sang thu ba ke la du ban shna ba kimyo shu ya ka CTE dalele de ngi we demand from the chief minister from the concerned minister in charge of the forest and environment department as well as from the MSPCB to pass a directive order and giving a notice to all the proprietors of these 29 units to dismantle their coke plants or their plants within a stipulated times. So that is the demand for specifically for the 29 units, that the Chief Minister or the government should pass a necessary order, directive order, to all the proprietors of the 29 unit plants to dismantle the plants within a stipulated times. Namar balai lada kini ki arkhundai Tylli ki don bet hang to ka chance lani ka probability kan don bet baki kintre behind hakimet kisnya ki ba kibru kimyoi. Nakatau there is no point for all this coke plant to erect there, so a directive order to dismantle is necessary. At the same time, the state government may reply to the NGT in this regard. Haka hearing ba hakani ka hearing order ka ngila ai ka jibuntip syak NGT ba kini ki don ki coke plants ki ba don hapo ka residential area na ni ban hapo ki shnong ki thau jong ke Elaka. The hakbadeb kani is a very serious issue. Kalong ba we know that coke plants is a hazardous plant industries which is not allowed at all at any cost. Even it is fall under the first schedule of the Factories Act, item number 4, it is a hazardous process. And hazardous process, even the Supreme Court from time to time has given a guidelines that no hazardous process should be given, NOC should be given license to operate within the habitation area or near the habitation area. So in this regard, we have brought this before the Honorable National Green Tribunal, and the National Green Tribunal has also given the directive order to the MSPCB to furnish the exact location of all this coke plant to prove whether they are within the inhabitation area or not. Specifically, kum ka kidon atli ki coke plant ke bangitip kum ka MS serpai lang coke bat kadon ke jantia MS jantia industries kebetulan hapo 100 kilo. Kini ki atli ki coke plant ben hapo shnong 100 kilo. Kini ki coke plant ke bakta bha ya ke shnong 100 kilo bat ke shnong mopala khamtam ha ka porman met. But it is what udisi lu ula dap kubur ya kani ula pha ya ke report sha ke MSPCB hendre ke MSPCB kamle ke AKA helor jong kini atli ki coke plant. Ke ki bangi ong ba kini coke plant ki don hapo jong ke shnong 100 kilo. Kum ka research but ke jinglap ke jongi hap lang ba ke ICC ngilap ba kini ki arti ki coke plant hang ke bede ba ka SWA single window agency ki submit ba ke 100 kilo ke deka shnong namar ki yo ya ka NOC na ke shnong 100 kilo henry ha bede ba ke MSPCB ki ong ba ke 100 kilo ba ke deka marketing hub lani ka commercial hub te kalong ngilasong thu ba ha ka government jongi kam don kono ka jing plate benia ha ba shwaban a ki kot na kataw there is a misleading cheating by these two coke plants to the government of Meghalaya. Te na kataw ngi demand ru ya ka MSPCB ban ai ya ki exact location jong kini ki coke khamtam kini artli bran hapo 100 kilo but khamtam ru ya kitu bran hapo umtara but badan hapo umpleng latar ki lamersiang kidi ban ai lada kede ka khubor ka bangi wanra na ki khunjong Elaka lada ka government, if the government try to manipulate on the location, the exact location of this coke plant, the consequence would be disastrous. Mde banga ong hande bangi ra ban penmal ni ban you hende ka message ka ba ki bru ki kwa pan ai cha ka government te yakin ni ka coke plant ki de ban ai bet ya ka exact location ka jongki ha ka no ka ba ki don nakmta bagian GT kalak man thang yakini bagian GT ru kalak keli ya ka MSPCB ba kede ban ai lada ka NGT ka ai ka order bagi de ban shift lani relocate yakini ki coke plant ki ba don ha ki shnong ha ka jam ki shnong ka GT kala ong kala pan ya ka action plan na ka MSPCB ha ka bade bat kini ki bagi ong ba kila yo ya ka CTO ki RTI ki badang yo thmai ila lap ru ba ki don shibun ki coke plant ki bla yo ya ki action ki bla shim na ka MSPCB kalau don hadu lightweightly ki coke plants ki ba ka MSPCB kala file ya ki case hapo ka district court ya izentia hapo hapo clear but ke ik bangi kindit bahang habang ila dep ban scrutinize ya ka RTI na po ka MSPCB ngilap ba ke don ki ba ke MSPCB kale ke ek jing khmujong ka hende ke ek bangilap kalong ka balek clear straight da ka ba ki don ki artli kok plan dan ki plan ki ba klem ai ya ki refusal of consent kani kedon ya ka atli ngelawan mention hangne KMS Jantia Cook Industries chimney tu kebadan hapok sukilo bat KMS Meghalaya Cook chimney tu kebadan hapok ter umpleng ngilap ka company ke art ai ba hadin bala ai ki refusal of consent henry ya kini atli ki cook plan pan ki plan ki chimney tu jong kini ki atli ki cook plan pan kadang ne ya ka application ki 4 ai ka refusal of consent kemud the application is keep on abeyance henry ba ki ek bangilap ru ba kini ki atli ki cook plan ki ba kani ka Jantia Cook Industries bat ka Meghalaya Cook kini ki chimney tu jong ki ek bangilap ba ka MSPCB ka claim ai ka refusal of consent but kini kim don ya ka SWA ke de ka prerequisite document ha ku shwaban apply ya ka CTE but kila apply ke CTE claim the don jong ka SWA but what kataru ka MSPCB kadang shim kadang pediang be ya ki application jong ka denak ta kadau ni the ECC demand from the MSPCB to pass an administrative order and refuse the consent the application applying for CTE of these two chimney, that is MS Jantia Cook Industry chimney 2 at Sukilo and MS Meghalaya Cook chimney 2 at Pather Umpleng. Namar Bele, it is already found that the Jantia Cook Industries once has been given with closure notice, and it is a surprise to learn that why the MSPC is not giving refusal of consent to these coke plants which have been already established and erect at their plant right now, and it is there in the report and in the record of the MSPCB also, and we put the question, why don't you give or issue a refusal of consent to these two chimney 2, as well as there's another chimney 2 which has all be operate at Kantulo. Kantulo is one of the unit which has been Mahajong, which already obtained CTO, and they have established another plan with another production, and the MSB did not do anything in this regard.